So, welcome to Studio Ho. To my right hand side, you can see all the destruction that this earthquake has caused. Thousands have died, about 1 million people are homeless, and hundreds of thousands of buildings have been destroyed in this earthquake. This earthquake has done so many terrible things. Oh wait, here's a guy here. Excuse me, sir. How has this earthquake affected you?
It's so sad. I lost my house, my future, my family, everything.
There you have it, folks. This is day 2 of the earthquake. I have been out here surviving on Oxfam, rations, and I've also been helping out the citizens of Haiti. So today, I'll be helping the country of Haiti find a few of its survivors. Oh man, oh, a survivor. Thank you. Day 3 of this earthquake, and now I'm going to interview the survivor that I've just found. Hey, excuse me, sir. I'm Alex Hill, and I saved you from that destruction. How does it feel to survive a night in that rubble?
It feels great. A lot better than being dead. And you know, I remember that earthquake like it was just yesterday. Mainly because it was.
Yeah.